Hey everyone, Blaise here. On May 23rd and 24th at the Wilshire Ebel Theater in Los Angeles, I'm hosting something very different. It's called Animated, the art of bringing stories to life. Now, this is not a normal animation expo. This is a curated 2-day single stage masterclass. So there's no lines, no hall hopping, no missed sessions. If you're in the room, you're going to experience everything. Indie to big studio, shorts to features. We walk the entire animation pipeline. Story, visual development, storyboarding, layout, animation, music, production realities, and how films actually make it into the world. This is a series of panels, presentations, live demos, and conversations, all designed to build on each other as a complete journey. Now we've got Emmy winners, Oscar winners, people who have shaped the films that we all grew up with and the ones inspiring today's generation. If you've ever wished that you could sit in a studio story room, an animation review, or a creative discussion that normally happens behind closed doors, this is the closest thing that you're going to get without a studio badge. So, tickets are available now at creatureartteacher.com/live. Seating is limited, early pricing won't last long, and we're going to be announcing some incredible speakers and more surprise guests very soon. So remember, that's 2 days, 1 stage, the entire animation process. I can't wait to see you there. Thanks.